صدت البس. بست. شت. أوه. اي نط روح موت قدك اقلقت اهلنا يا كلب. هش يلا. ايوه بعدين شو المسافة بس. اي وين كابتن لا يلعب شكله ما جاب لي شيء ما صار له شيء.
This is the real news. You won't see this on the nightly news tonight.
What are you wondering? You're asking how the cat survived? Here's the explanation in this video. High above the city's restless streets, on rooftops shaped by concrete and wind, a silent drama unfolds. A lone cat explores the narrow ledges that rise between the sky and the world below territory, where a single misstep can turn curiosity into catastrophe. In this moment, gravity calls, and the fall begins. But this is no ordinary descent. Within the span of a few heartbeats, a remarkable series of biological mechanisms activate reflexes sharpened through evolution, muscles engineered for impact, and a spine built to bend, curve, and adapt like no other. This video takes you inside that world, inside the physics, inside the anatomy, inside the survival. Through slow-motion visuals and scientific detail, we follow the cat's journey from the rooftop edge to the moment of impact and uncover the astonishing systems that give it a second chance. Perched on the edge of a tall rooftop, the cat surveys the sprawling city below, unaware of the danger that awaits. Its tail flicks and ears rotate, picking up distant sounds, every sense alert, yet the urban heights hold a silent risk. A sudden misstep sends the cat slipping forward. Its claws scrabble for purchase, fur bristling as instinct takes over. The city looms beneath, a dizzying drop that will test every ounce of feline agility. In midair, the cat twists its body with incredible precision. The righting reflex engages, spine bending, limbs adjusting, tail extending for balance. Every movement is calculated to prepare for the impending impact. Gravity pulls the cat downward, wind rushing past, fur rippling with velocity. Limbs adjust instinctively, wide, focused eyes lock onto the rooftops below. Pupils dilate, tracking each detail. The cat calculates instinctively, preparing its forelimbs and tail to manage both momentum and impact. Air streams across the cat's fur, whipping each strand, while subtle motion trails trace the path of its descent. Energy flows through its body, subtly adjusting posture to optimize stability. Rotating gracefully, the cat's spine twists, legs extend, and tail curves to counterbalance the rotation. Every micro-movement ensures it will land on its feet, absorbing energy safely. Forelimbs stretch forward, claws out, muscles tensing. The cat prepares to meet the rooftop with precision, forelimbs acting as the first buffer to absorb impact forces. The forepaws make contact with the rooftop. Shock waves ripple outward as muscles, tendons, and joints flex to absorb the first wave of energy. The flexible spine begins to distribute forces toward the hindquarters. Hind legs compress like natural shock absorbers, tendons stretching under pressure, muscles rippling with tension. Glowing energy pulses reveal the flow of force traveling up the legs and spine, safely dissipated through the body. The tail rotates and twists mid-landing, counterbalancing rotational momentum. Energy flows along its length, helping the cat maintain upright stability and preventing a sideways topple. The impact energy travels fully through the cat's body, legs, spine, shoulders, and tail, rippling in subtle vibrations. Every anatomical system contributes to absorbing the forces safely, leaving the cat uninjured. Crouching slightly, the cat regains equilibrium. Muscles relax, yet remain alert, prepared to respond. The cityscape surrounds it as a reminder of the height just survived. A swift shake of the fur redistributes residual energy throughout its body. Microparticles of debris fall from the coat as the cat reasserts its balance and resets its center of gravity. Eyes sweeping the surroundings, ears pricked, tail high, the cat scans for threats. Neural signals pulse rapidly, integrating environmental data with reflex memory. ensuring full situational awareness. With a confident leap, the cat launches to a nearby rooftop. Limbs extend, tail curves mid-flight, energy trails glowing as the body demonstrates complete recovery. Precision and agility ensure survival in the urban jungle. Against all odds, the cat survives its body, instincts, and remarkable design working in perfect harmony. From the brink of danger to a graceful recovery, this fall reveals the hidden power of feline biology. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.